£1,000 a year. It had a massive political overhead for them. It was.
They don't know what policies to do because they're completely out of touch with the people. Westminster is literally just a bunch of money laundering pedophiles. They have no connection to the people whatsoever. If you look into where the money goes, how they end up rich, you will find some pretty fucking horrific things. You will find things that you will not report on. You don't have the balls to report on these things, but you should look into them. Nevertheless, money laundering, 40% of the world's money laundering, people trafficking,